What's happening? It's your boy Keenan, and yes, it is time for version 2 of my Killa Cheese sandwich. That's right, snackages. Check this out. Okay, so this is my version 2 of my Killa Cheese sandwich. We got 2 pieces of white bread here. Use any brand you got. I think this is called rustic white. I don't know why, but hey, it's good bread. And to that, this is what we're going to add. I'm going to go ahead and smear some of this homemade caramel sauce that my son made. And as you can see, we've been working it. Definitely, my wife used it on this cake that she made. Sprinkled with potato chips and all that. Yeah, I got a clip on Instagram. You can check that out. But that cake was amazing. So this is the homemade caramel sauce that my son made from scratch in culinary school at Grossman College. Check them boys out for their buffet. $10 all you can eat. Gotta represent and gotta support. So I'm gonna put a thin layer of the caramel on each slices of these bread, and I'm gonna go ahead and have it in a nice hot skillet. We're gonna layer it with some good old, oh yeah, some good old bacon. Did that in the oven. I like oven bacon. It's good. I'm gonna layer some bacon in there, and then we're gonna put on each piece of bread, we're going to put a slice of American, bacon, another slice of American. Alright, and the butter I'm using, saw this in the store. I'm going to throw that in there like that. You like, oh, yeah. But this is going to make it good. Yeah. 3 pieces of bacon. Oh yeah, we got flippage, and as you can see, that is nice and golden. You definitely can see the difference in the bread and the toasting with the milk, with the higher milk fat content. That is, woo boy, I'm trying to tell you. All right, we're about to turn into the Killa Cheese in a minute. Oh yeah, that's right. Back in a minute. Alright, it's time to throw some Killa on it. I'll turn the fire down. Don't try that at home, kids. But I'm a cook. Of course, there's necessary precautions. If you've been in the kitchen long enough, you know what to do, what not to do, and you know your limits. Alright. Back in a minute with another flip. And then we're going to have that Killa Cheese, baby. Oh yeah. We got flippage. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is going to be good. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire off. And I'm just going to let it sit. We got a nice little sprinkle of cheese on the other side. And this is going to be amazing. Candy bacon is a thing. So I basically just turned it into a sandwich. Alright. Back in a minute with a bite. Whoo! Alright. You know, it's on. I've been waiting to make this. I've been waiting for the caramel. My wife made something, then I ate it all up. It was good. Then my son come home with something. So I had to do this sandwich. Check this out. So we're going to cut this bad boy. This is my candy bacon Killa Cheese. Oh yeah. I'm going to set that down. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is melty and that is hot. Now let's take a bite. Mmm. Who would have thought caramel and American cheese would go good together? Wow. Mmm. That is real good. Mmm. and really hot. Alright, this your boy Kenny. Killa Cheese Sounds version 2. That's right. Snackages 1. That is amazing.